Hey there, Joey from DayJobHacks.com. Today I'm going to show you a method of making $200 a day quickly and for free. Every single tool I'm going to talk about today is going to be free, and I'm going to walk you through step by step so that by the end of the video, you will already be up $75. Yes, if you take action and you follow every single step in this video, there is a way for you to be up $75 by just going through all of the steps. But by the end of the video, you're also going to know how to create campaigns that can generate up to $200 to $1,000 a day using affiliate marketing. Again, every tool is free, so stay tuned. We're going to get into my computer, and if you follow along, you can be set up by the end of watching this video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Joey Babineau. I've been an online digital marketer since 2002. I have spent millions of dollars on paid advertisements and generated millions of dollars in revenue. I make a living from online advertising, and today I want to show you precisely how I do it. So before we do that, please don't forget to like my video, comment, share, click the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started on this method. Okay, let's get started. We are going to be setting up an affiliate marketing campaign quickly. Now, if you've seen anything about affiliate marketing, you should know by now it is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and there are millions of affiliates out there making a living from affiliate marketing. If you don't understand what I'm talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing, be sure to check out the links down in the description for some free training on affiliate marketing and how it actually works. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be getting our content at the very top of search engines day one. We're not going to be spending months creating content, trying to rank it in the search engines. We are going to be right at the very top by the end of this video. And I'm going to show you precisely how to do that without spending money and actually being up $75 by the end of this video. So the first thing I would recommend is following step by step as I go through this video so that you can, by the end of the video, be in a position to start earning money. We're going to be focusing on the diet niche. The reason for that is there is just so much money to be made in this niche, along with other niches like wealth and finance. There's love and romance. These are big, huge, major product niches that you can be in, and you can do so many different things that you can make a lot of money, and there's a lot of affiliate offers out there that will pay you big commissions if you get people to join their programs. The first thing I'm going to do is do a little bit of research. I'm going to go into a major search engine. This one is Bing.com. It is the competitor to Google. You could also do this on Google.com. And you're going to come here, and the reason why we're doing it with Bing is because I'm going to show you a method later to get traffic and be at the top of these search results. So what I've done is I've searched lose tummy fat. And coming down here, you can see we will eventually see some ads. Now, I am in Canada, and here is an ad right here. It's a great example, and this is the example we're going to be using today. You can see somebody here. This is an affiliate marketer. They have set up this ad, and they are running an offer about the smoothie weight loss program. So as we do a little more research, we can start to click on these ads or use other tools that I will recommend here in a minute that are also free. But first of all, coming down here, you can see how quick and easy this landing page is. This is an affiliate landing page. I'm going to show you how to create one for free within minutes. And you can see here, there's nothing major to this. It's just basically a little headline, a picture, and a click now button or learn more. And they're saying get $10 off instantly. Now, if you hover over this button, you can see down in the left corner that it says it is coming from clickbank.net. So that means this affiliate is actually running the offer from ClickBank. If you haven't heard of ClickBank, it is one of the biggest affiliate networks online, and it has thousands of affiliate offers that you can run as an affiliate marketer and earn commissions every time you get a sale. The first step I would recommend if you want to run affiliate offers is to sign up to ClickBank. It is free to sign up to ClickBank. If you cannot sign up to ClickBank because of the country you are in, there are other places you can sign up to. There is the digistore24.com. This place is a little more lenient. You could probably get in here and you can probably find similar offers to what we're going to be doing today. Back inside ClickBank, once you've signed up, you're going to go to the marketplace. There's a link up at the top, And what I've done is I've searched Smoothie, and as you can see, I have found the exact offer that this affiliate is running. You can see the gravity score here, which is an indicator of how successful affiliates are with this offer, and it is a very high gravity score of 279. You can see that compared to this one is only 0.13, so we know that the 21-day is actually better than the 14-day, apparently. This one we can earn over $100 per sale. What you're going to do is you're going to go on the affiliate page here. You're going to look at some of the information they have here regarding their affiliate program, read about it, learn about it, and you can even get affiliate tools all for free. On this page, you can get their demographic data, the pre-sale articles, direct to sales page, main sales page, all of these things you can link to or use in your promotional methods. But we're going to keep it simple today because really you don't have to do anything really elaborate. Let's just assume you've now found your offer. The next step is to build the landing page, and there is a free way to do this, and you don't even need to set up a domain. You don't need to set up hosting, and you don't even need to set up an autoresponder or an email marketing system. The tool we're going to use today is called System, okay? System.io. Use the first link down in the description below right now. Pause the video, go sign up for free, verify your email, make sure you sign up so that you can follow along with me in setting this campaign up quickly. That way it'll be a lot easier for you to be ready to earn money at the end of this video. So, now that you've signed up to System, you can see all of the features here. They have a whole bunch of things that we can use in this campaign, and we're going to be using a few of their tools here. It is similar to ClickFunnels, but it is much cheaper. In fact, it's free, and you can actually use all of the tools here, like the sales funnels, the email marketing. You can do a website. You can build websites here. You can set up a blog, and they have other features too if you plan on selling your own products or creating your own business with training and all of that kind of stuff. So all of that is inside this tool, System.io. Again, use the link down in the description, the first one you see there, and sign up so that you can follow along. So now that we have the free tool to start using for this campaign, let's go in and set up our campaign. On funnels, we are going to create a new funnel. And what you want to do here is just name it. I'm going to call this Smoothie Example 1. And the domain here, you can actually add custom domains if you want to. If you want to create your own domain and you want to go to a place like Namecheap and sign up for a $10 domain, you can have your own customized domain. That is an advanced strategy. I would recommend doing that. If you're going to be serious about setting up this affiliate marketing business, you should definitely have your own domain name. But you do not need one today if you just want to test this out. You can use the domain provided to you by System.io. So what we're going to be doing is building an audience. What our strategy here is we are going to actually build a business. We're going to collect emails, and then we're going to automate our system, and we're actually going to make money in the back end as well as on the front end. Now that might sound all confusing, but don't worry, step by step you're going to see exactly how this is done easily. So we're going to build an audience today, and we're going to click create. What this is going to do now is going to bring us into the funnel builder, which is great because on ClickFunnels it is almost $300 a month for the same types of features. And if you're just starting out, that is just not something you want to spend money on if you're not even sure this stuff is going to work. So coming in here, we're going to set up the squeeze page. That is the page that we're going to convince people to enter their email so that they get access to this diet. We're going to do it a bit differently, not the same way this guy did it, because we also want to collect an email here and not just click off to the offer. But if you wanted, you could just do it this way, set up your landing page and click off to the offer, and away you go. The thing with System is that it gives us the option to do both. So here we are. Let's find a nice template we can use in order to make it easier for us to collect an email, and we don't have to use any big design skills here, obviously, because there's some really good templates. Found this one here. This one looks pretty good, so we can preview it if we want. I'm just going to hit select, and we're going to use this as the front page that we're going to send traffic to. So I'll just call this Smoothie Diet, and we'll just use that domain for now. And you can also customize the path, so you can say something like free recipe video, like this. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be saying they can watch a free video, which they will be getting access to once they enter their email. I'll show you that here shortly. Because as you can see here, the offer itself does have a sales page. You can click on this, And when you click on this, this is the actual offer page, and they're going to be watching a video here, delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss. We'll actually, in fact, use this in our landing page to say this is what they're going to get access to when they enter their email. And then when they enter their email, they're going to come to this page, and they're going to be able to watch this video, which is actually a sales page for the offer itself. And now, not only do we have them watching this sales video, we also have their email address where we can remind them and send them an automatic reminder that, hey, you forgot to buy the smoothie diet. Don't forget that this is a great 3-day detox plan, whatever you want to say, in the first email, and then they can watch it again, or you can send them different links that you get from the affiliate page right here, different promotional articles you can send them in your emails, all of that stuff, and it's going to be a full system follow-up so that you can jack up your return on investment and start earning actual profits and not wasting money on traffic that's not converting. So let's do this. So now that we're in the funnel builder here on system, let's go in and just edit the landing page right here, the smoothie diet squeeze page. Let's go over here, click edit. Now that we're on the squeeze page, what I want to do is I want to change a few things. I want to change this image. I want to change these headlines. And also I'm going to change the wording of this button here so that it's more suitable to what we're trying to accomplish here, which is collect the email and get them to go watch the video. And we can do all of that using this tool here. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to change where this button goes to. To do that, I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to click on this little gear icon. And you can see up here, action when button is clicked. Okay, you can either show a pop-up, you can open the URL, you can do all of this stuff. But we're going to do the send form because we want to create an email list. So we're going to collect this email from these users that come to our website. And then after they click the button and enter their email, where do you want to send them? Do you want to send them to the next step in your funnel, or do you want to send them to a custom URL? And in this case, we want to go to a custom URL, and we're going to put our ClickBank affiliate link right here. So back to ClickBank, if I want to get my affiliate link for the 21-day rapid weight loss program, I click on the promote, and I simply click create hop link. I can add a tracking ID if I want to track a little more, but for now, let's just keep it simple. We're going to copy that link, and we're going to bring it back into system, and we're going to put it right here in the redirect URL so that now when people enter their info, they're going to go directly to the offer. Next, we want to just save your changes. Every time I do things, I like to save changes as I go. We'll simply click on the button, and you can see, again, if you click on the settings right here, we can scroll down and we can see the wording for the button is right here. So what we want to do is we want to create a call to action that makes sense for the actual offer we're running. The call to action here is we want them to watch the video. We want them to watch this sales video because that's where the sale is actually going to happen. We're going to let the company do their own sales pitch. We just want to get them to watch this video. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to say watch free video now, or watch video now. Watch video now. So since our goal is to get people to enter their first name and email and watch a video, we need to make it appealing for them to watch the video. So our goal here is to get them to watch the video. So we need to give them a reason. Since these people are likely looking for something related to smoothie diet or losing weight, then we need to make our squeeze page believable that they're going to be able to get all of that by watching this video. You can see here, I can change this headline here. So if I just want to paste this one, I'm going to say, get delicious, easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss. And I'm just going to cut that a bit. And then enter your name and email to access the explainer video and free resource, okay? So there are going to be some free resources that we're going to send them through our email. So we're not actually lying here, but we need to get them to get their email into our system, so we need to give them a reason for that. Now we want to change this image over here to the smoothie diet or something related. Now one of the images I found in their affiliate page was this one. That's the same one that the other person is using. So we're going to use this image here. I like the image. It kind of gives you the 3-day detox plan. And we're going to add that to our squeeze page. Here we are on the squeeze page, and I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to click settings again. And this time we're going to replace that image, which is right here. And we're going to click the little cloud, and we're going to select the file from our computer. And let's insert. Okay, so there's the image there. And now what we can also add below here is perhaps a testimonial or something that would make it even more appealing and more credible when we have a testimonial right below that image. So to do that, let's go back over to the affiliate page and see if they have any testimonials here. In this case, they have a video testimonial. We can either download the video or we can make it accessible through YouTube. Let's have a look at what it says.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet after having my second son.
This is what we want, so we're just going to pause that, and we're going to test it with and without the testimonial. But let's just put it in there for now because I really like having testimonials on my squeeze page and landing page. So I'm going to go ahead and download that video. What I really like about System is that they allow you to host files on here as well. So you have some ability to save images and videos on here. So what I want to do is I want to add a video right below this picture. So I can do that by dragging it over. You can see that the system has actually added in the video here. So I want to change this video to the video that we're going to be using as a testimonial. So what I've done is I've actually downloaded the video. So when I click on the video here, again, you're going to click on settings, and I went and downloaded the video so that I could use it here, and I can just upload that file here now from my computer. And what this allows me to do is make sure that people don't leave my squeeze page and head on over to YouTube and get distracted. So you can see here I've inserted the video that I've uploaded from my computer, and now I have that video on my squeeze page, again making it more credible. So I'm going to save changes again. Now one other thing I want to do here on this video is make sure that I put a little headline up here that says turn on sound, because on some browsers they will not play the sound. So I'm going to take this headline one here, and again I'm going to put it right in between these two, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to change the words to turn on sound, and let's just change that color to white. So right over here, change this so it stands out a bit more. So over here I want to make sure also that I say the words 21-day smoothie diet. So I forgot to say that over here, just so it keeps that congruency. So enter your name and email to access the 21-day smoothie diet video and free resources. Okay, now I want to save my changes, and let's just go check it out and see how this page looks live. Copy that link. Now when you sign up to System, make sure that you pick a name that you don't want to appear publicly. If you are planning on using their domain, make sure when you sign up you change that, because it's going to say Joey. I'm probably not going to run this URL for too long. It's just an example. Make sure you set it if you're going to be doing diet, and then maybe diet.system.io or whatever it is that you're planning on doing. Or you again go into your settings up here and add your own custom domain, which is probably the best bet. But again, let's just move on here. So we copy that, and let's have a look at this landing page now. Okay, here we are. Here's the landing page. It's a squeeze page, and you can see turn on sound. So they click on here.
A diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having
everything is
my
above the
second
fold.
son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies, and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing.
Now, one thing I noticed,
for me.
there is a problem
Everything
here. I
was
want to
just
add
too hard,
the
or
controls.
I was hungry all the time, and
So as we saw, one of the problems for the user was there were no controls to turn off the sound. So to do the fix on that, I'm just going to come back into this page and edit it, and I'm going to click on that little icon again here, and we're going to turn on the controls. So that'll allow people to pause the video if they want, or play it again, and all of that stuff. So let's save changes again, and that's an important step, I think, because you don't want to annoy the people so that they jump off the page because it's making too much noise. Maybe they're on an airplane, or maybe they're in the airport, maybe they're somewhere watching on their mobile, and they can't turn this video off because it's making some ridiculous sound, and they just want to get out of there. All right, here we are back on the page. I can click on the sound.
I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet.
And now I can pause it, and I can watch it again, all of that stuff. And then I have the congruency here with the 21-day smoothie diet, which she just mentioned. And now simply click on the video. So let's test this form now. Let's just make up a contact here, and we'll Joey, dayjobhacks.com. And let's watch the video now. Let's see if it takes us to that video page now. And boom, there we go. We are now on the offer page and they got what they were promised. Now they can watch this video. If they convert and take the $10 off, we make up to $100 per sale. So it's as simple as that. Now let's see if System collected that email so that we can email follow-up later. Back inside System, let's go into the contacts and see if it added me as a contact now. And yes, here we are, Joey at dayjobhacks.com. You can see we can collect all this type of information if we want. But now I have a list of all of my contacts and I can start setting up email newsletters, campaigns, statistics, and everything else I can see in there all in one. So if you want to avoid paying for an autoresponder, you want to avoid paying for a funnel builder and a website and a domain, all that stuff can be done inside here. Now, there are some advantages and disadvantages to having everything all in one place because now everything is reliant on this one system. So if you like to, if you want to think about that in the future, then you can start separating certain services, but for now, you can do it all in one place, especially great for beginners who want to get in and start running campaigns like this. So now, how do we get traffic to this page? How do we get people to actually buy this product? That is the next step here. We are going to get traffic to this page. You're probably wondering how we're going to get traffic for free. The trick here is to use coupons and codes that give you free access to traffic. There are many ways to do this. So let me show 3 examples of how to get over $1,000 worth of traffic from the internet here. Here's an example, Snapchat for business. You can run ads on Snapchat and simply join, and they'll give you $375 just for joining and setting up your first ads, okay? Another example is Google Ads. You can get started on Google. They'll give you up to $600 in free ad credit when you spend $600. So that one's a little different where you have to actually spend a lot of money, but you still get $600 free. So basically, it's a win-win. So you just need to know how to make your ads profitable, which I'm showing you today in these steps that you can take to make that profitable. Next, my personal favorite is if you go to dayjobhacks.com/Bing right here, you can actually get $100 in ad credit by spending $25. So it's not a big investment, and by the end of the day, you are up $75. You simply spend $25 and you get $100 back. So dayjobhacks.com/Bing. That is for most countries. If you're in a different country that does not have this offer, I'm sorry, it's not available. But this will be available for most people watching this video. And now we want to get our ad at the top of the search engine without having to spend days and months building content. So we're going to have our ad competing with the other guy who's running a similar type of campaign. And how we're going to do that is really easy. I'm going to show you a really cool free tool we can use to find the best ads, the best ways to get our ads in the top keywords, all of that stuff right now. Let's do that quickly and show you the last step, which is going to be monetizing our list on System. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, now when you're inside your Microsoft Ads account, you can now go ahead and create an ad campaign and we can get our ads right in the search results. To do that, simply click Create. And we are going to create our first ad campaign using our free credits and our $25 that we've invested here. Now what you're going to do here is, what is the goal of this campaign? The goal of this campaign will be to get conversions on my website. Or you can do visits to website. In this case, actually we'll just do visits for now. It's an easier way to set this up quickly. If you want to take some more advanced training on some of these other strategies, be sure to check out the link down in the description for powerhouseaffiliate.com. There is some advanced training on case studies showing more precise examples of how to do these search ads. And we also have a lot of training on Google and other traffic platforms. Okay, so click search ads here. We're going to move on to the next step. While we're doing this, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, share. Click that like button if you like what you're seeing so far. And let's move into the campaign settings. So we're going to call this the smoothie diet, okay? And we're going to set a budget of, say, $20 per day. That's the lowest they recommend. So I'm going to go $20 a day on this campaign. So that'll give me about 6 days worth of running this ad, which should be plenty of time to get all of the information I need to make sure that this is working. And what I can do here is choose locations. And the great thing about the Smoothie Diet program, it is on ClickBank, and ClickBank usually allows you to run this in multiple different countries. If you want to get more clicks for less cost, choose countries that aren't the mainstream countries like United States or the United Kingdom or anything like that. Choose other English-speaking countries that perhaps would be a lot cheaper. Even places that aren't in English-speaking, but you can target English language on your ads, and I'm going to show you that now. So let's just, for the case of this, we're just going to leave it as Canada and United States, but you can always choose specific locations here and enter a location that you want to target, and make sure you turn off this bottom button here so that you're only targeting people in your targeted locations. But again, with ClickBank, it doesn't really matter because it'll still allow you to run in multiple different countries and get conversions there. So here's where you select your language. We're going to choose English since the landing page is in English. Next, we're going to enter our website URL, and that is the one we got from System. And we're going to go in and grab that link. That link is right here in the funnels that we created, and this is the link. You would simply copy that URL. Now again, remember, you can change that path, but we're just going to use this as an example here. So I'm going to paste that link there, and we'll call ad group 1. And now we're going to enter keywords. Now you're probably wondering, Joey, what kind of keywords should I enter? Well, the great thing about Microsoft is they give you a bunch of keyword ideas over here. You can see they have smoothie diet and all this stuff. But I have a better way of getting the best keywords that you can run for this campaign, because we're going to be targeting keywords that people are searching for. Which ones are the best? Let's head on over to a tool that I use frequently. It is free if you go to dayjobhacks.com/SEMrush. The link is again down in the description. We're going to use this quickly to find out what is actually happening here on this ad platform with respect to this offer. So what I'll do is I'll come to the offer itself, grab smoothieDiet.com, bring it over here and enter it into SEMrush, hit search. It's going to give me a whole bunch of ideas on the competitors, what type of keywords they're focusing on. You can see here they have over 600 keywords that people are searching on search engines, and you can see all of these organic keywords. But best of all, I can start looking at all the details of these keywords, and these are ones I would target. Better yet, you can even come into the advertising section, and if you click on advertising dashboard, I can get even more details. If I click on go to advertising research and enter their domain. Okay, so we have some great keywords here that we can use. There's 29 keywords they've recommended, in addition to the other 600 keywords that we had on the other page. Using this tool, I can also see the ads they are running, which is an amazing feature here. I really like this part of SEMrush, where I can actually see the ads that this company is running, and I can start using this in my own ad setup. So let's go back to Microsoft now, and we're just going to add in one keyword for now, the smoothie diet, just because I don't want to waste too much more time in this video. But you can add as many keywords as you want here, up to 1,000. And I would just recommend maybe 10 to 20 keywords here. And we're going to save and go to the next step. Next, we want to create our ad so we can do multiple headlines and it'll test these headlines for us. Or we can do an expanded text ad, which is just one headline, one title, one text, and all that stuff. So let's just do this one because it's easier for now. And we're going to come back to the ads here, and we're going to put in kind of something like this, the smoothie diet, 21-day diet. And we'll put that here, 21 days, something like this. And then we'll say easiest way to lose weight. Learn about easy to make smoothies for rapid weight loss. Watch free video. Watch free video. Okay, the next step is again the budget and bids, but this time we can choose our bidding strategy here. And what I would suggest is enhanced cost per click. So you're bidding on how much you want to spend per click. And what I would recommend here is maybe something around the 25-cent range for now. And we're just going to see if that gets us any clicks. That'll give us hundreds of clicks for our budget. And that'll be great so that we can start seeing if people start joining our email list. And in order to make this successful, you really need to start testing multiple different ads, different landing pages. But for now, this is just the easy setup. And you can see here on the campaign targets, you can either target all desktop, all tablet, or mobile smartphones. I'm just going to leave them all on for now, but I would recommend later on splitting them off into separate campaigns or turning certain ones off that aren't working for you. And you can go into your advanced campaign settings, and one of the things you want to consider here is your ad distribution. I usually start my testing on all search networks. That means it's going to be showing on the syndicated partners, which is very cheap traffic. And I've shown in my other case studies on Powerhouse Affiliate that you can actually make some money on the syndicated search partners. So I usually leave this on for my first test, and you'll get lots of cheap clicks on these search engines. And you save, and away you go. Once you click save, it is going to submit your ad, and it is going to be approved within an hour usually, and your ads will be live. And now you'll start seeing your data coming into system. For more in-depth tracking, you should really check out the video I pop up here on CPV Lab Pro. They have a free version. Also, bmob.com has a free tracking platform. So make sure you check out the links in the description for that. This is the free way of doing it. So now that we have our ads live, we start seeing leads coming in. Now what you want to do is you want to start setting up your email automation so that you can start setting up follow-ups to these people when they've entered their email. So I would go to campaigns, and now you can click create, and you would create the smoothie diet campaign. And now you're going to start sending emails to your subscribers by creating a campaign. Now, coming into your email campaigns, you can set up a follow-up sequence now by clicking on the smoothie diet. And you can add emails here and start editing the emails and sending them to your contact. Now, the system here for email follow-up isn't as robust as other platforms, I must admit. I'm going to be honest with the review here. The system tool for email follow-up will require a little more active work, but it does give you the option to send emails and inbox people, and you can set up different platforms to send the emails for you, including SendGrid and stuff like that. So if you want to do some manual emailing, and you can add a bunch of contacts from your contacts page into your email campaigns, you can now start to monetize the people that you've collected for this campaign. But in reality, you should be earning commissions on the front end to hopefully offset any costs on your ads, and you should be making a profit on day one. And the goal here is to actually set up a profitable campaign on the front end and earn extra money from your email list in the back end. So if you made it this far, then that's great. Now you just simply sit back and watch your traffic come in, hoping for conversions. If you want to learn more about how to optimize your search ads campaigns and how to really dig down into the data and make this really work well, then make sure you check out the training at powerhouseaffiliate.com. Also, check out the links down in the description. Get your free tools. The system tool is something you can use to save yourself money at the start. And later on, if you want to upgrade, they have other features and settings you can use. And hopefully you have everything you need to get started with affiliate marketing today. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments below or check out our forum. And I'm always in there answering questions. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later.